How's it going, everybody? Hope y'all doing well. Special hi to all the kids. Hi, kids. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw a peso from the Octonauts. So let's get into it. Okay, so we're going to start with a circle that goes kind of like this, and we're going to try to leave a little bit of space at the top so that we can draw his hat. So start right here, and we're going to do a circle that looks like this. And I'm going to stop right about there, okay? And then here, this is where we're going to make his hat. So we're going to do a line that's not straight, but a little bit sloping down. And then we're going to have a point that goes up, okay? And then another part that goes up. And then it comes across. And then we're going to draw the top part of his hat. It goes like this. And then inside here, it's their logo. So there's a circle, and then there's a little octopus. So it has tentacles, another tentacles, and it goes down, comes across, and it goes up. And then there's little dots for the eyes and the mouth. Okay? And then there's a line that goes across right here, like this. And then we're going to draw the white part of Peso's face. So it's almost like a big heart. So what we're going to do is find the middle, right? So the middle is like right about here, and then we go up. So right about here, this is where we're going to start our heart. So it goes like this way, and it comes all the way around. So start right here, and you go up, and come back down, and go all the way, follow it, and then goes up, and then it comes down. So you should have something that looks like that. Okay? And then his mouth. So when you look at this little dot right here, right in the center, that's where his mouth should be. So his mouth should look like this. Like this. And then this part goes down, and then it comes back up. And then his eyes are on this side and on this side. So right about here, we're going to do a circle. Do a circle. And then we're going to do another circle inside this circle right here. Okay? And then we're going to color this in. So you can see Peso's eye. Okay? And then now we're going to do the same thing, but on this side. So draw a circle. And try to keep it the same size as this one. And the same thing on this side. Draw another circle. And then we're going to color all of this in. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to draw his body. And in his body, he also has a collar that comes down. So the collar is about this size right here. So we want to do a line that comes down right here. Another one that goes right about here, okay? And then the collar comes down and it goes up. So it goes down and it comes up. Then this part goes down and it comes up, right? And then he has these little arrows on each side. There's 3 on this side, and then there's 3 on this side, just like that. Okay, and then now his arms. His arms are going to start right at the edge of this little line, and it's going to come out like this. Okay, so the end part should be a little bit skinny. So it comes out like this, and then it comes in like that. And we should do the same thing on this side. So it should come out, it should get a little skinny, and it should come back, right? And if you're a little bit uneven, you can make the line a little bit longer so it's a lot closer to the similar size. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw the rest of his body. So it's like a big U. So we just come down, and then we come up, and then we connect it, okay? And then we're going to draw a line from here all the way around to connect, because he has a white part on his stomach. So just follow along. Follow this line, the same angle, the same position, and then come up, right? And then the last part is his feet. So his feet, we're just gonna draw from here. We're gonna draw out, and then we're gonna draw this part in. And then right next to it, we're gonna do the same thing, like that. And then one more thing, just like that, and come back. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, but the opposite way. So we come down, and then we come up. And then right here, we come up. And then this last part, we come up. And then now you have Peso. So then we're gonna color him in. You think we should color him with marker or crayon? Maybe crayon. So we should get our black crayon. And then we just color him in. Make this guy nice and solid. Because penguins are black and white. Just keep coloring. Just keep on coloring. And remember I said if you mess up a little bit outside the lines, no problem. It's totally okay. And then, once we finish this part, we gotta color his hat. So we get a blue color, and we just color his hat. And then the inside of his logo is this dark blue color, because I used it last time. So this part, the inside, is a darker blue. Looks like that. And then we need to do yellow for his nose and his feet. And I forgot one other part, and that is we have to do this part right here. And this part actually should do the darker blue. And there you have it, Peso from the Octonauts. Well, that was it, kids. I hope you had a good time, and I'll see you next week. And remember to let your light shine. Bye.